This is unexpected Earth, and these are places where nature broke the rules. Today, we are going to talk about blood falls, located in Antarctica. Have you ever seen something so strange, so out of place, that it feels like it belongs on another planet? Today, we're journeying to one of the most remote and inhospitable places on Earth to witness a phenomenon that defies explanation. Welcome to Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and highest continent. A vast expanse of white, where temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows. It's a world of ice, a seemingly lifeless desert. But hidden within this frozen landscape is a secret. A place so bizarre it looks like a scene from a science fiction movie. Get ready, because we're about to uncover the mystery of blood falls. Imagine standing in the middle of this immense, silent continent. The scale of it is hard to comprehend. We're in the McMurdo Dry Valleys, one of the most extreme desert environments on the planet. Strangely, these valleys are mostly ice-free, scoured by powerful winds that keep snow from accumulating. It's another worldly terrain of barren rock and gravel, more like Mars than Earth. And it's here, spilling out from the tongue of the Taylor Glacier, that we find our spectacle, a 5-story tall waterfall, not of clear, sparkling water, but of a deep crimson red. It's a shocking stain against the pristine white ice, a sight so unsettling it's rightfully named Blood Falls. So, what causes this gruesome-looking flow? For decades, scientists were baffled. Early explorers thought the color came from red algae, a common explanation for discoloration in polar environments. But the truth is far more fascinating and far more ancient. This isn't algae. The blood-red color comes from something locked deep within the ice. We're talking about a hidden world, a pocket of water that has been sealed off from the outside for millions of years. This water is incredibly salty, a brine so concentrated that it can't freeze, even at the brutal temperatures of Antarctica. Think of it like the salt you put on icy roads in winter. The same principle applies here, but on a geological time scale. T's ancient trapped water is also extremely rich in iron, which it picked up from the bedrock beneath the glacier. For millions of years, this iron-rich water has been sitting in a dark, oxygen-free tomb. But as the glacier slowly inches forward, some of this subglacial water is squeezed out, finding a fissure to escape through. When this ancient water, full of dissolved iron, finally reaches the surface and hits the air for the first time in eons, a chemical reaction occurs. The iron oxidizes, it rusts. It's the exact same process that turns a nail left out in the rain. So, the blood falls is quite literally rust, carried in water that has seen the light of day since our earliest human ancestors walked the earth. But the story doesn't end with a simple chemical reaction. The real shock, the discovery that changed everything we thought we knew about life, is what's living inside that water. Let me repeat that. Living in a place that has been sealed off from the sun, without any light for photosynthesis, and completely deprived of oxygen. For a very long time, we believed that life, at least as we know it, needed two fundamental things: sunlight and oxygen. Blood Falls proves us wrong. When scientists analyzed samples from the falls, they found a complex and thriving ecosystem of microbes. These aren't just a few hardy bacteria. It's a whole community. How is this possible? How can anything survive in such an extreme environment? These microbes are a special kind of life form, known as extremophiles. They've adapted to conditions that would be instantly fatal to us. Instead of breathing oxygen, they breathe iron. And instead of using sunlight for energy, they get their fuel from the chemical reactions happening in the water around them, specifically involving sulfur and iron compounds. They are, in a very real sense, alien life on our own planet. They have found a way to live completely independently of the world we know, powered by chemistry and total darkness. This discovery is absolutely monumental. It's not just a cool fact about a weird waterfall. It completely redefines the boundaries of where life can exist. If life can thrive for millions of years trapped under a glacier in Antarctica, with no light and no oxygen, then where else could it be hiding? This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for the search for extraterrestrial life. Think about it. We look for life on other planets by searching for conditions similar to Earth. But Blood Falls tells us that life might not need an Earth-like environment at all. Could there be similar microbial ecosystems trapped beneath the ice caps of Mars? or swimming in the subsurface oceans of Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's moon. And these are worlds we once thought might be sterile, but places like Blood Falls give us a tangible model for how life could exist there. The microbes of Blood Falls are like a blueprint for life on other worlds. They show us that life is tenacious, creative, and can find a way to survive in the most unlikely of places. It's a profound reminder that even in the most desolate, seemingly dead corners of our world, there is a hidden, vibrant pulse of life. So the next time you see an image of Antarctica's vast, white emptiness, remember what lies beneath. Remember the 5-story waterfall bleeding rust into the ice. Remember the ancient, unseen world, teeming with life that breathes metal in the dark. Blood Falls isn't just a geological curiosity. It's a window into another possible form of life, a testament to the incredible resilience of biology and a source of hope in our quest to find out if we are truly alone in the universe. It's one of Earth's greatest mysteries, and a powerful symbol of life's unyielding will to survive. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey to the end of the world. What do you think about the life found in Blood Falls? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this deep dive into our planet's strangest wonders, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. We'll see you in the next one.